Bachateros, we'll show you what we did this week in our bachata class. So we started with our basic turn of 1, 2, 3. Left leaders left 4. Turn your partner 5, 6. Hand on shoulder 7, 8. Turn your partner 1, 2, 3. Get the wrist 4. We're both going to turn this way 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. Get right to right. Basic to leaders left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hammer lock turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, important part, you're going to bring the lady out through a turn. Make sure she finishes her turn before you take the arm over your head. And leaders, you'll do a backwards turn on this. So we'll step 5, 6, then lift 7 once the arm's straight. Tap 8. Okay, to the lady's shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, and Bachata tango pulses. So you're going to have your partner step forward and back. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can let her walk freely. Now you can let her walk freely going 1, 2, 3. Lifting the leaders left. Arms up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ladies, once your arms are up, will you turn? 1, 2, 3. Ladies, once you are facing your partner, you can open your hands up and tulip them down, or you can hair comb them down and give them back. Either way is fine. And 5, 6, 7, 8. And we did 2 sways and 2 body rolls. So this time we did it in this closed position. Sway 1, 2, 3, 4. And guys, body roll 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic, and you're done. But that's everything for this week. So please remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye, everybody.